Otto Abetz, organizer of the 5th column in France, friend of the Hun, believer in German victory, was arrested recently. We've all heard of him, though we've never heard anything good of him. Now we can see what he looks like as he goes into jail. Near Cassel in Germany, there's quite a flock of jailbirds, Huns this time, and once upon a time, very important people. Ranging from generals to field marshals, all with evil reputations, they now await their trials. German military VIPs without a batman amongst them. Von Schuler, once commander-in-chief on one of the Russian fronts, has kept his taste for reading and his monocle. They have time on their hands here, where Allied prisoners left souvenirs on the walls. Field Marshals Wilhelm von Leeb and Wilhelm von Licht, who butchered thousands, now try to kill time with homemade playing cards. Field Marshals and Generals, 300 of the best the Wehrmacht could produce, trying to pass the time away while they wait. They say that General Major Henrique and some of his pals are getting quite good at doing their own washing. It remains to be seen if they can whitewash their reputations. Carpentry is popular at Cassel, and among others now doing honest work is Admiral Mattis, once Chief of Staff to Dönitz. A sight for sore eyes, these Hun generals at work. General Major Hans Fritzlaff contrives to look busy. General Major Erich Fiedler makes himself a pair of wooden shoes, while General Lieutenant Fritz Niedholt works away like a housefrau.